there was one interesting comment which I really liked. It says, "Wow, over talkative." I laughed so hard on that. लगा channel ते support करीबी, लगा channel नया असे, नूतन असे, ना? नूतन असे, please support करीबी, मोरम करीबी, मोइके भी, मोइ भाल मानु असे, इतु पी भाल मानु असे, मोइ बिस्सी भाल मानु असे. Extra love. Like I never had such thought like that. I always had a thought like this that I will want to rob a bank. One day, but then the banks are not that. When I go to SBI bank, so obviously.
It was like not a mukbang show, but what do we call?
Late night chat show. Ranbir Kapoor is like, obviously she's my girl. You know, she's my girl. Like that with the accent, he said, she's my girl. Or maybe it's other way around. If I am not able to say something in my fight, then while taking shower, then I'll think of many dialogues. You know, I should have said this, I should have said that. it happens to you.
I think it happens to everybody.
Then I'll get good dialogues. Then in my dramatic mind, okay, I thought I'm gonna just not throw the food. Obviously, I love food, but I'm gonna put the food aside and I'm gonna say I'm not gonna eat. But I couldn't do it. My heart was like, no, eat this. Zule, thank you.
Pleasure.
Oh my God, thank you.
Nagamit sekta duita koi dibi to.
Moi NRI asete, Nagamiste, NRI, people will call me NRI. Moi laga naam lili bila ase, moi sanctum tribe par ase, moi khana khai ase, moi bhook lagi ase, moi para 5 ghanta wait kuri se. Itu manu para moi ke khana khilai ase. People are gonna laugh at my Nagamis.
Her dad is Sangtam and her mom is Nepali. But she's born and raised
in actually so many places. So my dad was in army and we were raised in like Madhya Pradesh, Himachal, Punjab, and the last place was in Indore. That's why my Hindi is really good. So dosto, namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Nagaland.
That's for you.
You're not gonna eat?
I'm having meat for consecutive 2-3 days, so
You should avoid, na?
today I'll just have this fish.
So Zulev, how do you remember my first meeting with you? If you have to describe my first meeting. Do you remember?
When we met in the flight, no? We flown together, that's how we met. And the first time I met you, you look so decent. You were not this childish.
I'm very decent.
Maybe you were heartbroken that time.
For the disclaimer, I'm always heartbroken. I don't know why. Whenever I meet this lady, I'm always heartbroken. I think I'm the loudest friend of yours, no? What do you think?
Of course you are.
I mean, like, people are so silent whenever I come home. Especially you. You guys are so silent and I'm so loud. I have to tone down my volume while talking to you.
Something like that.
No.
You're very entertaining. You're very jolly. It's very fun to be with you.
Look at the face while she's saying, okay? You're very jolly, very entertaining. Not even happy for once. While saying it also, Zule, please for once. While saying excited, please be excited. Somebody should record and show it to me. You know? That while eating food, I'm saying this, where I love food. In fact, recently I had a fight also with my friend.
What? Why?
I can't tell. Because one of my friends told me that I eat a lot of food.
So you had a fight with her?
Yeah. And she said, when you come and you eat in front of me, no, I get scared. She's like, I get scared because then I have to eat hyper eating. You know, I get this feeling that I'm eating fast and I'm in all this hyper. I don't know what is that term. And I'm like, what is this behavior? Like, you know, this for the food. But the way she was describing me later when I came home, I thought I'm not gonna eat. And that time also I was eating food when she was telling me. Then in my dramatic mind, okay, I thought I'm gonna just not throw the food. Obviously, I love food, but I'm gonna put the food aside and I'm gonna say I'm not gonna eat. But I couldn't do it. My heart was like, no, eat this. Then later do anything. Then I fought later. Like I finished the food. I have no self-respect. So sorry. I have no self-respect for the food. She was fighting with me for the food and she was telling me, you know, when you come, you know, in front of me, I always get scared that food will get finished and all these things. And I'm like, and I thought with my ego and my inner pride, everything got hurt. And I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna eat and I'm not gonna eat in front of you. But I finished the food anyway. And then I fought. I said, you guys are useless. And I booked the cab and I came.
You finished the food anyway.
And while coming home also, this guy, my Ola driver, he had a fight with his girlfriend. Oh my god, everybody was fighting that day. And he's telling Pooja, मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा तेरा, मेरे को please पैसे वापस कर दे and all those things. And I'm like, so funny. He was also fighting. Then I came home and I said sorry.
Acha, you said sorry for what?
I felt bad. If I would not have eaten food now, then I would not have felt bad, I guess. But I ate food.
But you went there to eat food, right?
हाँ मतलब still. I also said no so many things. But for me this is what happens. I fight. After a fight I don't like it.
Exactly.
You know, I don't like it.
You feel guilty.
Yeah. No matter what whose fault is, I always feel very awkward. Or maybe it's other way around. If I am not able to say something in my fight, then while taking shower, then I'll think of many dialogues. You know, I should have said this, I should have said that. it happens to you also.
I think it happens to everybody.
Then I'll get good dialogues.
Exactly. And you regret, right? I think it happens to everybody. Like, I should have said this, I should have said that. Why didn't I?
And in fact, sometimes what happened in my childhood days, whenever I used to get angry with somebody, I used to imagine in my imagination world, I used to kill them. Then I used to be very happy. So there was this guy, Jaswant. Jaswant, I don't know if you are watching this channel, I don't care, but I hate you. Because this Jaswant was really bad. Really bad. So he was somebody, we were playing hockey and he just pushed me and I did not like it and I so wanted to push him back but he was tall. So I could not. So in my dream I killed him. Thrice.
Oh my god, thrice! Not just once.
No. I need justice. Recently I had a dream, I'll tell you. I saw, now I can feel Ranbir Kapoor, na?
Ranbir Kapoor.
I can feel him. Feel him in the sense, not in that bad way, but then he was my boyfriend in my dream.
Achha.
So we were in some jungle and then Ranbir Kapoor told me that I want to fly over this forest. So there was a huge dark forest, okay? And then I thought, okay, I'm gonna fly over it. So I had a very small, it was the Harry Potter, but very Misho version, like very cheap version of Harry Potter. So I had a, you know, Harry Potter had a stick. I had a very small, this much of stick, okay? And the name was Habda Tabdi. So
What
the
is
name, I don't know, it was the name, okay? Habda Tabdi. And I was like, why this Habda Tabdi? And this was this small, okay? Like this carrot, this small. And then Ranbir Kapoor is telling me that I want to fly over this, and magically this Habda Tabdi became really big. And Ranbir Kapoor is Alia's husband, na? That guy. So he is sitting behind me, okay, and then we are going in that somebody is calling, and we are going that over the mountain, okay, forest, and then suddenly there's a horse. So it was like how Disney or some, I don't know how to tell you, like how as a kid you must have seen the dream, something like where you are flying and you can feel the wind, everything on your face, like that, exactly like that. I never had this kind of dream after, I mean, like for so many years. That was really good. So Ranbir Kapoor, kudos to you. Thank you so much for trusting me in my Habda Tabdi. And we were really enjoying, and there was Shraddha Kapoor, there was all Bollywood people, and he was showing, everybody was asking, who is this girl? Pretty girl, okay? Not that who's this pretty girl? So Ranbir Kapoor is like, obviously she's my girl, you know, she's my girl. Like that with the accent, he said, she's my girl. We talk, we are not eating, we are just talking. So this will be called as a wait night
Chacha.
talk show. Very good. You're learning. This is really good, you're learning. मुझे लगा चैनल ते सपोर्ट करिबी मुझे लगा चैनल नया আছে নতুন আছে না নতুন আছে প্লিজ সাপোর্ট কৰিবি মৰম কৰিবি মইকে বি মই ভাল মানুহ আছে ইটো পি ভাল মানুহ আছে মই বেছি ভাল মানুহ আছে extra love. Like I never had such thought like that. I always had a thought like this, that I will want to rob a bank. One day, but then the banks are not that. When I go to SBI bank, so obviously there was one interesting comment which I really liked. It says, "Wow, over talkative." I laughed so hard on that comment. Oh, I'll tell you one horror story.
Yeah.
Do you like horror story?
Yeah.
So, do you guys like horror story? I'll tell you one horror story. It happened in the previous airline where I was working, which I will not name it. Tomorrow I don't know, there will be some issue. So yes, there was this girl. So there were, I don't know if you must have heard that story, no? No? I'll tell you. So there were two girls, they were sharing the room like how we used to share, na? In the previous.
Seaweed. And we've got noodles, kimchi noodles with bok choy, some lettuce and cucumber.
It's an open sushi. No?
Yeah, it's
you have to
open
make your
sushi,
own
you have to,
sushi
yeah.
and eat. But I want to try the rice first. I don't know, I like the rice just like that also sometimes. There was one interesting comment which I really liked. It says, "Wow, over talkative." I laughed so hard on that comment, you know, Zile. So hard. I almost died laughing, and then I thought to reply him back, but I don't know, like, you know, sometimes comments makes you feel something else. So I was thinking, like, if I reply, what will he think? So I did not, but I laughed. Yes, so there was this guy, whosoever you said that I was over talkative. Thank you so much. I laughed a lot. In a good way. Not in the way that I did not like your comment. I liked it, but it was really cute. Maybe because of my nails, I'm not able to use chopstick properly. I don't know, it's coming again and again. Otherwise, maybe it's very slippery.
So you want fork?
I can eat. Do you miss Delhi? No?
I don't know. I like Nagaland more. I'll miss flying for a year, of course, but I love Nagaland more because of the food.
Oh, I remember from flying recently. I was in this flight, okay? I was coming from EWR, New York. So my crew, she's so funny. She was coming on the aisle, so we were supposed to do our snack, like the last service is snack service, which is on demand. So we keep it on a tray, a trolley, and then we move and we ask everybody. And I was working business class. So business class, people can sleep completely on, you know, tray. So there was this guy was sleeping. And my crew, she was like, she went there, and so she was standing behind, and when the guy was like lying down, okay, imagine like this, he's lying down, and then she said, "What do you want to have, sir? We have this much of thing, like in vegetarian option, non-veg option, whatever he said." So she thought he said to eat right now. So while sleeping only, the guy was sleeping, and she kept it on his chest. Can you believe? And in the galley, like in the cabin, I can't say anything to her, no?
Yeah.
So I was also thinking like, and this guy also started eating because he thought maybe this is the way, in business class they started something new that they have to eat like this. It was like hilarious. I was like laughing, and I told my crew also. She was 20-year-old, so I couldn't say much. And another dream was always, I don't know why, but I always wanted to rob a bank. Do you want it to? No.
I've never had such thought, yeah.
Such a sweet little girl. I don't know. Am I the bad one? Suddenly I felt I'm the bad one. She's like, I never had such thought like that. I always had a thought like this that I will want to rob a bank. One day, but then the banks are not that. When I go to SBI bank, so obviously those people are so lazy every time they tell us to go, and so I don't want to rob them, but I really want to rob someone. For sure.
HDFC Bank. You go rob HDFC Bank.
Why, it has more money?
I think so. That's what I believe.
So you never had a bad thought? It's only me who's thinking the bad thought every time. No, you must be having one bad thought in life. Everybody gets a bad thought. Intrusive thought, some thought like that, no?
Of course, I do have, but I can't think of anything right now. I just want to listen to you.
Love moment. I don't get this love moment from a guy, but I don't know why girls around me become very romantic. I want guys to shower me the love like this. No?
You will get someone soon.
What?
Someone you deserve. You truly deserve.
Oh, I'll tell you one horror story.
Yeah.
Do you like horror story?
Yeah.
So, do you guys like horror story? I'll tell you one horror story. It happened in the previous airline, where I was working, which I will not name it. Tomorrow, I don't know, there will be some issue. So yes, there was this girl. So there were, I don't know if you must have heard that story, no? No, I'll tell you. So there were two girls. They were sharing the room, like how we used to share, na, in the previous airline. So the sharing room means in a layover we share a room. So if there are two girls, they share one room. So they're sharing the room, and suddenly, so there was this one girl who was a Punjabi, like proper Punjabi from Delhi. Another girl was, I don't know where was she from, but they both were not from South India, and they had a layover in Chennai. Okay, so it was in Chennai hotel, and then. So once after the flight, people get tired, na? So both of them get tired. So there was one girl, she said like, I want to go out. So let's make a plan in the evening and let's go out. So this Punjabi girl, she wanted to go out, okay? She said, I want to go out, let's go out. And she had a lot of energy like me. She said, like, let's go out. So the another girl said, I want to sleep. So you go out and come back and then we'll make a plan. She said, okay. But she said, so should I disturb you? She said, no, take the key. Don't disturb me. You take the key along, and then whenever you come, you keep the key and just come directly. I will not lock the room. Okay. And this girl went for a sleep. She is sleeping. Now this Punjabi girl, she went outside. After suddenly there's a knock in the door. Okay, on the door. And then this another girl, she opens, and she was little upset also because she already told the person that please don't knock the door because I'm tired. You go outside and get the key access and come inside directly. But then it's okay, it's just a roommate, so she did not make a fuss about it. She's like, okay, let her come. This Punjabi girl's come inside. Now she's not talking this time, okay? But she was upset because she told the story in the flight that she had a fight with her boyfriend. So maybe this another girl thought this Punjabi girl must have had a fight with the boyfriend. So that's why she's not talking. She was sitting and she was little upset. She looks upset and she was watching TV. She did not even say that I'm turning on the TV. She turned on the TV.
Oh,
this Punjabi girl.
Achha.
Now this Punjabi girl was watching TV, and then there's another channel, like different language. So this another girl, she's thinking that why this girl is watching in Telugu or some other kind of language where she's Punjabi.
Exactly.
Everybody knows she's Punjabi.
Exactly.
So she thought maybe she understand. She did not say, but she was little upset again. She was like, and she started putting the volume on. Then she screamed at her, "Ki don't do that. I want to sleep. So put the volume down. I want to sleep." She put the volume down. She listened to her also. She put the volume down, and this girl was like, "Let me sleep. I don't care." And she put the blanket and she slept. After 3-4 hours again, there was a knock on the door. Okay.
Shit.
And this time when she saw that there was nobody in the room, okay? She thought maybe she must have gone inside the washroom or outside. She is telling that girl to open the door, but she did not open the door. When she opened the door, there was a Punjabi girl outside. And she was smiling and laughing. She's like, "Arey, wow, it was a great time, you know. Let's now you must have been sleeping. Let's go out and let's make some plan." Now this girl got traumatized.
Oh my god.
Because I don't know whom she was
Scary.
talking to, whom she was listening to, because she saw that girl completely, and she saw that the girl is also listening to her and like not replying, not talking, but what do you say, like if I'm commanding you something to do and you are following it, so it looks more alive.
Exactly.
So like that, so yeah, it was very scary. But she left the company. I know that girl's friend, like the one of my friend, it's her friend. But I don't know the rest, like whether the Punjabi girl, where is she now?
Achha.
But it's very old story. How did you not hear it?
Nee, I've never heard of that. So what happened after that? Did she operate the flight?
No, obviously no. She was not able to.
Oh, that is scary, yeah.
Some hotel stories are scary.
Some
But
hotels
if you
are
are
like
inspired
haunted.
to become
na?
a cabin crew, please remove whatever, delete everything whatever we said. Don't watch it. Skip.
Yeah, it's not for the people who has like a faint of heart, no?
No, it happens to mostly hotels. Because mostly hotels are made on a graveyard, I guess. I don't know. No?
That's what I heard. She has her, I'm like your Instagram ID. She has her Instagram ID by the name That Tribal Girl. So if you want to follow her, then you can type That Tribal Girl. Such a fancy name, right?
Yes. I should put that South Indian girl.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm also tired now.
Chalo, hope you all enjoyed with us, and if you're new to our channel, please do like, share,
and subscribe to her channel, and also
to my channel.
next time please do that.
By the name
Lily Bila Sangitam. It's LILIBILA.
Lilibila Sanctam.
Sanctam.
Nagami-san.
मुझे लगा चैनल ते सपोर्ट करिबी मुझे लगा चैनल नया আছে নতুন আছে না নতুন আছে প্লিজ সপোর্ট কৰিবি মৰম কৰিবি মইকে বি মই ভাল মানুহ আছে ইতু পি ভাল মানুহ আছে মই বেছি ভাল মানুহ আছে এক্সট্রা লাভ bye
Bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless you. Bye bye.